Originally, Bangsak was developed for NSTW for 2024 or DOST Level Up First, which is 1.0, back in Cagayan de Oro. When DOST Level Up 2.0 came, they added the new mechanics wherein to involve the environment, make awareness of the environment, and promote the city. So we still kept the core essence of the game, which is Bangsak, while adding this Battle Royale mechanics so that it is a fresh taste of hide-and-seek Battle Royale game. I am Clayton Wayne C. Visaya. I am the lead game designer of Bangsak. Yung Bangsak is composed siya ng 4 na members. Yung isa is si Jansen Baluwalwa, which is the lead game developer of Bangsak. We also have Gabriel Galapin, the lead game artist of Bangsak, and then Luen Velasco, one of the game artists of Bangsak also. Nung una po, yung inspiration namin sa map is province settings lang siya. Pero nung dumating na yung DOST Level Up 2.0, and then nakita namin yung host is Lawag City, we decided to show them Lawag City and mareremember nila kung ano yung itsura nun.
Pinili po namin 2D art or pixel art. Gusto namin ibalik po yung 90s na game. Medyo mahirap. Need ko talagang aralin ng todo yun. And sa awa ng Diyos, naaral ko naman.
When you start the game, may bubungat sa yung 4 na character. Sina Kael, which is yung 90s inspired na Ilocos Kid. Si Tala, yung female version ni Kael. Si Ella, which is the Empanada Girl or Empanada Vendor. And then si Lamang, sa biyag ni Lamang na epic lore. May 3 kaming superpowers, which is yung Sting, that gives you speed boost. Yung isa naman is Mamu, pagiging invisible. And then yung last is yung Mama or Mama mo. Pag umiyak yung bata, mapapagalitan siya or napagalitan sila ng mama niya. If yung environment is against you too, hindi pwedeng, isa lang yung spot mo kung saan ka pwede magtago. Dapat kailangan mong gumalaw-galaw. So, hindi lang yung mga players yung naglalabanan. Meron din silang players versus environment. So, we're planning to deploy it on the cloud para kahit sino, basta may internet ka, pwede ka magipaglaro sa mga ibang tao.
During the first NSTW, nakagain kami ng 4th place. And even nung ibang mga competitions namin, nagkaroon kami ng parang running joke sa team na meron silang 4th place curse. But during the last NSTW 2025, doon na daw na-break yung 4th place curse nila. So we do really hope that there are more students that would be interested in joining sa mga ganitong klaseng activities or competitions.
On behalf of our team, I would like to thank our friends and families for the continuous support sa MMSU, especially kay President Manzano Jr., sa MMSU CCIS led by Ma'am Saturnino Nesperos, and then sa DOST kasi binigyan niya kami ng opportunity to share our passion for the game, tsaka sa continuous support sa development ng game. Kay Sir Elohim Bacolfo, yung faculty mentor namin, and yung mga other sponsors namin na nagbibigay ng tulong such as Cybercraft Philippines and Red Fox.